Okay. So they know there's more. I just uploaded a couple shorts, but they know there's more. I gotta walk back to the seed thing. Oh, I'm gonna try to keep this focused on here as I walk the other way, not trip over anything. Yeah, we had to cut the bird feeders down. Of course, the squirrels get into them. They're not up above, but the ropes were rotting. They've been there for many years. But we got some chairs over here by the fireplace, so maybe I can get a little video of some squirrelies for you. There is another one over there up in the tree. There was 3 of them. If you watched my short, oh, here he comes. Here comes one more. Here comes one more. You guys better not fight. I threw a whole bunch over there. So the one on the right is the one that someone mentioned we should name Opie. I think Opie is one of the longtails because Opie has a really, look at that tail. Look at that tail. Opie! Okay, I think that is a last year's baby. And this is this year's baby. You can tell by the size difference. See how little his body is compared to friggin' Chonk over there? We had a 3rd squirrel, but this little guy over here decided to be mean. I'm going to turn the camera so we can try to get both of them in here at the same time. Squirrel action! Now I'm going to be quiet for a few minutes. Yes, Opie's got such a long tail. I really do believe that is Longtail's baby. I seen Longtail earlier, but look how long that tail is. It's so freaking cute. Just seen some birdies hop down in. Got Birdie over there. Birdies joining in on the action. Just had black cap. See the black caps? Black cap chickadees on the fence. They just flew off. I feel really, really bad. Oh. It's okay. I'm going to zoom out a little bit so we can get full action. The squirrels opened up the top of the feeder. Like I said, I had to drop them all. One fell down. The ropes were just too frayed. All kinds of birds over here now. They think that I threw some more food down for them. But lo and behold, there's tons of food down there for all of them because I throw tons down every day for them. Birdies to the left, squirrelies to the right. Opie! Haven't named the big one yet. What should we name him? He looks like he's part red squirrel, which I have not seen red. Birdies, tons of them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 birds. Let's see. Can you find them all? One, two, three. Okay, they fly around so much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 that I can see clearly. Look at that fatso. Look at this fatso. Maybe that's what I'm gonna name him, Fatty McGee. I am so sorry, my phone really sucks. Zooming in, but you can tell it's a squirrel. So Opie is on the right, and Fatty McGee's on the left. Fatty McGee has more red than Opie. Oh, we got a bird up on the table. I'm so glad they're eating out of that. I was afraid they weren't going to because it's not up in the air. But they probably feel really good. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at this little birdie right here. Isn't he gorgeous? Oh, he just flew off. Oh, look. And one just like him. Coming up on the table. Oh, Fatty McGee's back there. Oh, did you see the tail? There's Opie. This got to be Longtails, baby. I'm sorry I keep saying it, but... Ooh. I think Fatty McGee's all done. But baby Opie isn't. I'm going to zoom out a little bit because we got lots of birds. Lots of little birdies. Oh my goodness, we got a little guy hiding in the tree. I probably cannot get him in here clear enough, but he is in there hiding. And he's doing a really good job. Oh, squirrels. Oh, see, there he goes. He's gonna go under the neighbor's house. Try to kind of zoom out so everybody can see. I don't dare move too much to scare the birdies off the table, but I'll try to. Keep the squirrel and everybody in there. Look at the little chickadee. They're up on the branch. Try to zoom in, but you can see them up there. It's that bottom branch. Both of them flew up there. They will fly down and come back. See them right there? See? Pecking at the tree. Weirdo. The other one's hiding in the leaves. And we still got Opie down there. Oh, look. Longtail. Hi, baby. You coming to check on your babies? Hi, Longtail. Don't you be picking at my garden. Good girl. Good mommies. What, you want peanut? She will actually eat from my hand. She will eat from my hand. I don't know if I can get this phone in a position to be able to see. I might be able to lean it up against this chair leg.